Public Forum. So in our final segment, we'll discuss the road ahead and how far the Andhra Pradesh Assembly, what will be their take on having a separate state of Telangana. So is it a suicidal decision for the government now when it has decided to go ahead with Telangana, and the kind of response coming in from its own MPs and then the MPs from TDP and YSR Congress, and also if the real solution, the diagnosis of backwardness and neglect of a particular region is having a separate state? Coming back to you, Mr. Chacko, do you think after having a separate state of Telangana, all the problems of Telangana will be solved?
By taking a decision to form a government, the problem will not be solved. And if after the formation of the state, if properly administered state if it is, then probably most of the backward problems can be addressed also. And the fact that Andhra is a well administered state, why this backwardness prevailed for a long time is definitely a question mark. And now after formation of the government, it depends whether we are having an effective government in that state. We don't have an effective administration in that state. This will only remain in paper.
Right, because let's not forget the development angle given. It looks like the central schemes or the state schemes completely failed in Telangana. So that means that political establishment, the bigger onus is with the political establishment.
No, central sector schemes which is implemented by the state government throughout the country today, most of the flagship programs of the UPA government is what is being implemented by all the state governments. If in any particular part of a state, if it is not implemented, there must be local reasons for that. That reasons can be sorted out if there is an effective administration, effective state government there. So if the state is formed and if there is a proper effective government in that state, then only this stream will